Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying essentials so the sync actually runs. First, make sure you're signed in with the same Apple ID and iCloud Photos is toggled on. This links libraries. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug the device into power so background uploading won't pause. Also check iCloud storage. If you have less than a few percent free, the upload will stall. Once those are set, open Photos and watch the status bar to confirm uploads have started. Now, you'll handle the more detailed execution to keep sync progressing. Open Photos and scroll to the bottom to see uploading, paused, or updated recently. That tells you what's pending. If many large videos or RAW files are queued, keep the app active and the screen unlocked to let background transfers finish faster. Make sure Optimize iPhone storage is set if device space is tight. This reduces local file size, while originals reside in iCloud. Finish by confirming completeness and resolving any remaining hangups. Check a second device or iCloud. Com to ensure all photos and videos are visible. This verifies a full sync. If syncing still stalls, restart the device. Signing out of iCloud, then signing back and often forces a resync. As a last resort, reset network settings to clear corrupt Wi-Fi data or contact Apple support with your Apple ID and device logs. If you see specific errors, note the message so you can address that exact cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.